This is an explanatory video for our interns, introducing them to the effects and research of BPA using a skit. Hey, don't eat that.
Why not?
That may contain BPA.
Oh, I guess I'll have some water then.
No, don't drink that either.
Oh man, why not?
It can coat the inside of metal products and can seep into food from plastic containers.
Well, where else can these chemicals be found?
BPA can be found in many food packaging items, thermal receipts, some types of baby bottles, beverage containers, and many toys made for children.
What? That's crazy. What is this BPA anyways?
BPA, or bisphenol A, is a harmful chemical that's found in many plastics. People find links between obesity and diabetes from this chemical. It's a large concern because the health effects on the glands of fetuses and children, and it really affects children's behaviors. It can damage your endocrine system, which includes insulin resistance, which impairs your insulin secretion, and it causes diabetes because of that.
So what should I do about this BPA?
I think you should go to a doctor and see what he says about this. So, this BPA is a reproductive, developmental, and systemic toxin, which can lead to the development of metabolic disorders like less neurodevelopment, immune toxicity, and interference of cellular pathways, which affects your nervous system. Can I take a seat?
Oh, by all means. You out of breath?
Does this outfit make me look fat? Oh, anyway,
Yes,
BPA can lead to diseases such as diabetes by producing metabolic disorders that offsets glucose homeostasis, which has many effects on the endocrine system, such as reduced efficiency of insulin. And lots of exposure to BPA can increase anxiety-like behaviors.
So, you're saying I should try to use BPA-free products. I should also try avoiding heating up plastic in the microwave, focusing on fresh whole foods, and even using alternatives to plastic such as glass.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait.
The nervous system is made up of two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system contains the spinal cord and the brain, while the peripheral nervous system contains the nerves of the body. The somatic nervous system is voluntary actions that you get to control, and the autonomic nervous system is parts that are involuntary, like digestive system. The endocrine system is the glands of the body that produce hormones to circulate in your blood system.
I forgot.
What's the difference between that endocrine and nervous system again?
I thought you were supposed to be the doctor. The endocrine and nervous system, while similar, have a few differences, such as the fact that they use different signals. The nervous system communicates with electrical signals, and the endocrine system communicates with chemical signals called hormones. One more major difference is the speed at which these signals travel. Signals in the nervous system travel across the body almost instantaneously, while the endocrine system signals travel much slower, spanning the course of days or even weeks. Some similarities between the two are that they both work to ensure that the body is in homeostasis, and the body goes through changes relying on feedback loops.
Give me that back. I remember how they work together. The endocrine system, so the system of glands where the hormones secrete directly into the bloodstream. And
What about the nervous system?
well, the hypothalamus is the part that controls the endocrine system, where it tells the body to release those hormones. And I feel like the flight or fight response is a good example of how nervous and endocrine systems work together, where the nervous system perceives the danger and the brain sends a message for the hormones cortisol and adrenaline to be released.
Well, doctor, what are the differences between how neurons send signals and how glands send signals?
Well, we already know that neurons send electrical signals and glands send chemical signals. And the electrical signals in the neurons travel through the dendrites of the cell body and through the axon terminal. And the polarity of the axon changes in order for the signal to travel. As it reaches the axon terminal, neurotransmitters allow the signal to travel across the synapse to the next neuron. The brain signals to the glands of the body to release hormones, and the glands then secrete that hormone. Hormone signaling will be slower than neuron signaling. Or neurotransmitters again. How do you not know this?
Neurotransmitters are chemical signals that allow neurons to communicate with each other. They are found in the vesicles in the axon terminal and are are released across the synapse when an electrical signal travels through the axon terminal. Neurotransmitters help signals reach from one axon to the next, and they also play a huge role in the endocrine system. Some neurotransmitters are also hormones. Some, such as dopamine, help us feel pleasure and affect our behavior. There are also other hormones, like serotonin and epinephrine, that play a huge role in maintaining homeostasis. What should I say about BPA?
I think an endocrinologist would be able to help with the body issues occurring from BPA. They would be able to assess their symptoms and look for exposure to BPA and hormone imbalances. An endocrinologist could guide you on how to avoid BPA and may also be able to give treatment options so you can return to homeostasis. They can give medicine with help with hormones that have been disrupted, or at least alleviate symptoms. I think a neuropharmacologist would be able to help with the way BPA has affected your body. Neuropharmacologists study the effects of drugs on the nervous system, and they can prescribe medicine that would help with your body and how it has experienced BPA.
We hope this educational skit is going to teach all you new interns about chemicals like BPA that can disrupt your body systems and how the nervous system and endocrine systems work. We love you.